Hello dear learners. Today's topic of discussion is one of the important fiber, cotton. After completing this discussion, we will be able to define the biological source of cotton and able to describe collection and preparation of absorbent cotton, explain physical characteristics of the cotton, and explain chemical constituent and chemical taste of cotton and find uses. The synonym of the cotton is cotton wool, absorbent cotton, surgical cotton, and biological source is cotton are the epidermal trichomes of seed of cotton is the epidermal trichomes of seed of Gossypium herbaceum, Gossypium barbadens, or other cultivated species of the Gossypium, and it belongs to family Malvaceae. So these are actually epidermal trichomes of the seed. Cotton is cultivated or produced commercially in USA, Egypt, India, Brazil. Apart from this, different part of Africa, South America. Here you can see the cotton boll or the seed with the fibers in cotton plant of Gossypium barbadens. Now let's see how the cotton is commercially prepared or absorbent cotton is commercially prepared, the procedure. Seeds with hairs are known as bolls. Ripe bolls are collected. Hairs are separated from the seed by the ginning process. Here you can see the one of the automatic ginning machine. And after that, the two categories of cotton fibers are obtained. One is a large hair fiber and another is a short hair fiber. The large hair fibers are generally, or long hair fibers are generally used for preparation of garment fabrics, whereas the short hairs that are known as linter that are used for the preparation of absorbent cotton. So after collecting this short hair or linter, this linter is now known as the raw cotton, and this raw cotton obtained by this way consists of wax, fatty substances, broken seed part, leaf fragments, and which makes this raw cotton less absorbent. So we have to remove this by using the machine cotton opener, and after removal of this thing, this by the use of the cotton opener to remove the impurities, then that should be treated with and heated with the dilute soda ash to remove the wax portion, and the treatment should be under pressure 1 to 3 atmospheric pressure for 10 to 15 hours, and this removes the fatty matter and render trichome wall absorbent. So now the absorbent cotton is obtained, and that should be washed with water, then to remove the excess amount of the soda ash, then bleached with the suitable bleaching agent, and then washed with water to remove this bleaching agent. Then that should be properly matted and packed, sterilized with gamma irradiation and stored in cool place. The storage of the cotton after preparation and packing is very important, because that should be properly wrapped, otherwise bacterial contamination and the external dust makes the cotton friable and brittle, and excessive heat and long storage make the absorbent cotton non-absorbent. So that should be kept in mind while storing this cotton in the dispensary or pharmacy. Cottons are white in color, odorless, tasteless. Size of a single fiber ranges between the 2.5 to 4.5 centimeter in length and 25 to 35 micron in dia. And under microscope, so this is actually the image of the raw cotton morphologically, and this is the image of the absorbent cotton mat. and under microscope it looks like this tubular and hollow fiber which is flattened and with twist, and the number of twists in between, you can find the twist, the long fiber with the help with the number of twists, and the number of twists varies 75 to 150 centimeters depending upon the grade of the cotton, and the apex of this cotton are rounded apex. What are the chemical constituents present in the cotton fiber? This is a vegetable fiber, and definitely it consists of a high amount of the cellulose. Raw cotton contains 90% of the cellulose and 7% moisture, and the remaining part consists of wax, fat and ashes. Whereas absorbent cotton consists of 95% or more than 95% of cellulose, because cellulose is the main constituent and rest amount is only moisture. Let's see the chemical test for the cotton. Mainly for ignition test, identification test, when the cotton is advanced slowly towards the flame, it doesn't produce fumes and only with a little odor is generated, not produces a large fume. Cottons are soluble in 80% cold sulfuric acid, whereas insoluble or suspension in 60% W/W H2SO4. In coaxum reagent, when cotton is soaked with the N/50 iodine solution and 80% sulfuric acid, it shows the blue color. And in coaxum reagent, which is none other than ammoniacal copper oxide solution, that dissolves the raw cotton fiber with the formation of ballooning, whereas the absorbent cottons are uniformly soluble. Absorbent cottons are uniformly soluble under the coaxum reagent, whereas raw cotton shows ballooning. So these are the important chemical tests for cotton. Cotton is used mainly as a surgical dressing, and absorbent cotton is used for the surgical dressing purposes that can absorb blood, mucus, pus, and prevents the wound from the further infection, and that can be used to cover the wound also. And it is also well-known filtering media for liquid, and cotton is also used for the plugging the bacteriological and tissue culture media or other chemicals in conical flask. Cottons are also used to prepare diaper sanitary pads. So these are the important uses of the cotton. Thank you and happy learning.